How to add a custom network to Rabby Wallet. So go ahead and open up the Rabby Wallet on your device. Once you've opened it up, go ahead and open up the network list. The network list is, you're going to find it when you click on receive. So click on receive here, click on the wallet you want to use, and then where we have receive assets on the EVM chain that's selected, click on all EVM chain and then click on custom network. Go ahead and click on add custom network and then click on add custom network again. Now you can simply quick add from the chain list, such as other networks that are available. These are mostly test nets, so these are test networks, or you could go with the option to include a chain ID, network name, RPC URL, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. Double check that all the details you're going to be filling in here are correct, and then go ahead and click on confirm and then save the network. After saving, you can easily switch to the new network in your network list. It's that easy. You can receive tokens using this new network. You could also switch it when you connect to DEXs like these, such as Uniswap and PancakeSwap, as well as Ether and Hyperliquidity. Alright guys.